Greetings! Custom background colors can really make your PowerPoint presentations shine. Right-click on your desired slide and choose Format Background. Alternatively, go to the Design tab and click Format Background. In the Format Background pane, under the Fill section, select Gradient Fill. You can quickly pick from the Preset Gradients drop-down. Choose Type to change the gradient's shape. Select a direction to adjust the gradient's orientation. Gradient stops give you more control over color customization. You can easily adjust each stop's color and position, add or remove the stops. Set the transparency and brightness. Click Apply to All to apply your new background to every slide in the presentation. To revert your changes, click the Reset Background button.